Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word dynamite. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The construction worker used dynamite to blast away a large rock blocking the road. Dynamite is a powerful explosive made of nitroglycerin, absorbent material, and stabilizers, commonly used in construction, mining, and demolition. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.